Anna. So I just wanted to chat with you today about the different Music Kids kits that are available. So this will help you if you're taking Music Kids Encore or if you're planning to come to Music Kids in the Park, because we're trying to get everybody to bring your own instruments to make sure that everybody stays safe and we keep everything separate and clean. So let's start there. Let's start with Music Kids in the Park. Now there's still a few spots left, but it's filling up fast. So don't forget to register for Music Kids in the Park. And so in those kits, you will get a cute little tambourine like this. Some bubbles, because we're going to be singing some songs about bubbles. You'll get these cute little rhythm sticks like this. You'll get a couple scarves. They're nice big scarves. So we'll do some activities with those. And you'll get a set of eggs. Perfect. So that's a great selection. All right, so next we have the Music Kids Shaker Kit. So in the Shaker Kit, you get the two eggs like this, and they'll be the same color. You'll get two chiquitas like this, and you'll get one cluster bell like that. And then next, we have the Music Kids Shake and Drum Kit. So for that, you get all the same things, the chiquita, the bells, and the eggs, like that. But you'll also get this really beautiful drum. You do a lot of fun activities with this drum. And then the next level up is the Music Kids Shake and Play Kit. So for the Music Kids Shake and Play Kit, you get all of those. You get the drums, the chiquitas, the eggs, the bells. But then you also get this beautiful, as you can hear, this beautiful rainbow xylophone with mallets. So this is great. It has all of the music letters on it. So it's great for learning the C major scale and dividing it by colors. This is great, especially for kids who are age 3 and up, because that's a great age to start learning about the notes on the scale. You get these gorgeous mallets too. All right, next up is the grand prize, and that's the Music Kids Family Band Pack. So this is great for households that have multiple kids, or parents if you want to join in as well during class. So here you get a really great selection of instruments. You get the drum, you get the chiquitas and the eggs and the bell, you get the xylophone with the beautiful mallets, and then you also get a ukulele. These ukuleles are great. They're very sturdy. They're great for little hands. And I love mine. I use mine every day. I have a nice, expensive ukulele, but I actually prefer this one because it works so well, and it's a great deal. So that's the options that we have for the Music Kids kits. So don't forget to pick yours up. You can go to ChinookSchoolofMusic.com and then go to the Music Kids kit section under the main menu, and you'll be able to see everything there. So don't forget to pick yours up. Okay, bye everybody.